Oh my god, this is literally no smudge. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. Hello you guys, what's up? I hope you all are doing good, staying safe and taking all the necessary precautions. तो आज का वीडियो है एक नायका हॉल, क्योंकि मैंने रियलाइज किया कि the last one was quite some time back, which the link is right here. And मैंने काफ़ी कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स ऑर्डर किए हैं फ्रॉम नायका रिसेंटली ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, तो मुझे शेयर करना था. एंड बहुत सारे अमेजिंग लिप प्रोडक्ट्स भी हैं इन द हॉल. टॉकिंग अबाउट लिप प्रोडक्ट्स, मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे देयर इज दिस लवली सीरीज गोइंग ऑन विच इज कॉल्ड लिप लव विद को ग्लैम, जहाँ पे 30 डेज का लिपस्टिक चैलेंज है. एंड आई एम शेयरिंग डिफरेंट लिपस्टिक्स for those 30 days, and like you need to watch it. If you're wondering what's on my lips, then you will come to know about it in my lip love series on Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram. So now, without wasting much time, let's get started with the haul. First product, which is a must-have tool for me for doing my makeup, and it is a makeup sponge. So मैंने ये लिया है from the brand Plume. I am not sure how you pronounce that. It is their microfiber velvet sponge. That is what the sponge looks like. काफ़ी fluffy है. Retails for rupees 990 originally, but मुझे ये 20% off पे मिला है during the Nykaa sale. And microfiber sponges can be used dry as well as wet. मैंने काफ़ी टाइम पहले एक sponge का review डाला था on my channel. That was from Caoba, I can't recollect the name, but वो बहुत ही अच्छा था, बहुत ही सस्ता था प्राइस में. But it was out of stock and I wanted to restock a sponge ASAP. This I'm very excited to try out because मैंने काफ़ी अच्छे reviews पढ़े हैं इसके, and I'm also happy that it comes with its own case to hold the sponge in place. And because of these holes right here, your sponge will even dry properly even if you keep it in the case when it's wet. So really happy with this. Moving on, अगला product है from the brand Daily Life Forever 52. It is a makeup brand, a professional makeup brand, and I have a couple of products from them. तो पहला है ये foundation उनका. Now it is in the shade FLF006. तो नायका पे जो है ना शेड्स के सिर्फ नंबर्स हैं, there is no description, but if you go to the Forever 52 website, you'll find a description for the shades. This retails for rupees 799. This is what the bottle looks like. It's a glass bottle. So this is the foundation shade. It has a yellow undertone to it. I'm hoping that this will work for my skin tone. मैं काफ़ी टाइम से ये फाउंडेशन ट्राई करना चाह रही थी, and I finally found this in stock. And I can't wait to try this out. अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं इसका डिटेल रिव्यू करूँ, like a full day wear test रिव्यू करूँ, तो please let me know. So I also picked up 2 palettes from Forever 52. ये वाला जो है, it is the 10 color matte eyeshadow palette. ये मेरे wish list में बहुत टाइम से था. It comes with a magnetic closure. You don't get a mirror with the palette. It's a complete matte eyeshadow palette with beautiful shades, and I have some cool tone colors also in this palette, and that is the reason why I really wanted to try this palette just for the cooler tone shades, because मेरे पास एक भी ऐसा palette नहीं है जिसमें matte cool tone eyeshadows हैं, and they are really pigmented, you guys. The black is so black. I mean, look at that black. Wow, how beautiful. And even the browns are stunning. Look at that. Let me show you the berry color. That's the berry shade. So बहुत ही अच्छा pigmentation है of the palette. Really nice and very easy to work with and blend. 1499 का ये palette है, but मुझे again 20% off में मिला during the sale. So I really took the advantage of the sale because this is such a nice palette. And this is their magnificent eyeshadow palette. It's an all shimmer shadow palette, and this is in the shade MEP004. When I was in quarantine, this was the only shimmer palette that I carried with me because I really wanted to try this out, play with the colors, and they're so beautifully pigmented. तो इस look के लिए मैंने ये shade और ये shade mix करके eyeshadow पे eyelid पे डाला है and it looks so beautiful. Like, oh my god, you need to really see this. So that's one. And let me try another. This is my favorite shade because it has a dual tone to it. How beautiful. Like, just like my Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadows, they don't have that chunky shimmer, but they just add a beautiful sparkle effect on the eyelids, and this palette does exactly that, which is why I love it so much. So lipsticks पे जाने से पहले I just want to show you a couple of skincare and hair care products जो मैंने order किए हैं. तो पहला है this hair oil from the brand Sadev. It's an Ayurvedic brand and this is their anti-dandruff hair oil. तो weather change की वजह से I've had a bit of dandruff issue, so I wanted to try out something, and this caught my eye. This with extracts of coconut, holy basil and clove. So this is what the bottle looks like. There was a bit of spillage in the package and that's why the label is like this. It has a pump which I really like, and it comes in a glass bottle. And the best part about this oil is the smell of it. Oh my god, it smells so refreshing. Like, it gives me a feel of Bath and Body Works ke body washes, those kind of fragrances. So it retails for rupees 1500 and you get 150 ml of product in this. It's quite expensive in terms of pricing, but I am really hoping that this does some good job, and just the fact that it smells so good, I know that I'm going to make the most of it and not waste it even if I don't like the hair oil. And hair oil ke saath I got this free soap bar from Sadev. It's with melon and aloe vera, and I tell you guys, it smells so refreshing. I really wish I had a perfume or a body mist that had this fragrance. I would love that. So the next three products are from a brand that has been really popular lately thanks to Shreya Jain, and I have been so curious to try out their product. It's called Minimalist. So I picked up 3 products from them. Okay, I don't know much about the brand, I don't know much about the products yet, but I just wanted to try it out. I had that urge to try out these products, so I just picked up 3. So I have the Minimalist PHA 3% plus biotic toner. It's a face toner. It comes in this package, and it's a daily gentle exfoliating, pH balancing, pore tightening and skin hydrating toner. Now this toner claims to do a lot. So that's the toner, and it retails for rupees 399 only, and I got it for 379, guys. So that's very affordable for the claims that it has, and I'm really hoping to see a huge difference using this toner, especially the pore tightening and skin hydrating part. So the next one is the Niacinamide 5% plus HA 1% face serum. It's a moisturizing and hydrating daily serum that repairs and soothes sensitive skin. Niacinamide or vitamin B3 builds an epidermal barrier that acts as the first line of defense against oxidative stress. Hyaluronic acid further seals the moisture inside so your skin remains hydrated for long. So this is the product packaging, and it retails for rupees 599 and you get 30 ml of product in this, and I had to pay 569 to get this during the sale. And the last minimalist product that I have is the Seti Calm 3% plus oat moisturizer. Very lightweight. It is a plastic tub, and the box doesn't mention anything about the moisturizer, like what it is supposed to do. It says on the app that it's a lightweight moisturizer with shea butter, ultra hydrating, soothing and calming for normal to oily skin types, and it's suitable for acne prone and sensitive skin. I believe that I bought it because I read acne prone while ordering. Looks nice and creamy, but doesn't look like very rich to me, which is good. It is quite rich, but it feels really nice. If you have tried any of these products before, let me know your experience in the comment section, or if there's a product that is a must try from Minimalist, let me know that as well. That was about skincare. Now coming to the lipsticks from this haul. I have from 2 brands. I have from the brand Lime Crime, and I have something from Swiss Beauty. Let me show you the Lime Crime ones because I have 3 of them. So these are the Lime Crime Velveteens liquid matte lipstick. What the product looks like, I don't really like these floral prints. I don't know, it doesn't make it look elegant to me. So I have the shade Rustic. Wow, such a beautiful color. Very pretty. And this one came free, by the way. The shade Rustic came free, and I'm so happy that I got that free. So that's L. How pretty is that shade? It's so my kind of nude shade. Then I have the shade Gigi, which is like this mauvey cool tone kind of a shade. Very pretty. It's very similar to MAC Whirl. And I've tried these liquid lipsticks on for the 30 days lip challenge, and these are very lightweight on the lips, very comfortable on the lips. They are a tad bit drying, so if you are having like very chapped lips, you will not like this, but I loved it. So now coming to the last product, and it is the Swiss Beauty non-transfer waterproof lipstick. This is how the packaging is. Very sleek, very lightweight, and this is what the lipstick looks like. This is in the shade Bronze 417. So it retails for rupees 299 only, so it's very affordable, but I got this for just 254 during the sale. OMG, look at that shade. How beautiful is it? It's a stunning color. Wow, it's beautiful, and it's so rich and pigmented. Like, it was gliding on so smoothly. I loved it. Oh my god, this is literally no smudge. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. So yeah guys, these were all my latest purchases from Nykaa. I'm very curious to try out the minimalist skincare range. Let me know which were your favorite products from this haul, or which products you want me to review from this haul. If you did like this video, you know you have to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notifications on so that you know whenever I upload a new video. Please stay safe, take all the necessary care, and I'll see you guys in my next video.